next vlog. We have left Banff this morning and we've driven 8 or 9 hours now to Cascade Falls, and we have to rush because the park closed at sunset. We're the only ones here. We don't want the car trapped in the lot, so we're gonna boogie. Let's go. We made it! There's the falls and there's the beautiful suspension bridge, but camera's gonna die. Gotta go. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Lucky.
Tomorrow.
I'll eat it. Hey guys.
Hello. So we just had a picnic.
So today we bus down. Sorry about the audio.
Very windy.
Sorry about the audio. Today we bus down to Patagonia. We walked around, did some shopping, and then we came to Stanley Park and we rented bikes from Spokes.
Which is where we are right now.
And then we decided to sit here in the sun and wind to have a picnic. Good morning.
Morning.
It is now Monday, the 29th, and we are currently in line for the ferry to go to Vancouver Island. First time trying ramen.
Where go?
We made it to our Airbnb and they've got a little note for us saying that we're in the back bedroom and Alex is trying to park. Well, this is our room. So cute. Love the views. Just on Airbnb. Little bed and breakfast. Ow. And they got cute little chairs outside. Good morning!
Morning. Exciting day planned.
We're in Tofino.
One of the best places on earth, in my opinion, that I've been to.
Yep, and we're just gonna walk around the shops today. We're gonna go rent a bike so we can bike around town and then
Rent surfboards.
rent surfboards, go surfing, and just have an awesome day. We're also gonna check out somewhere in town that we can go on a whale watching excursion. We're gonna try and book that for tomorrow when we check out. So we've biked all the way to Cox Beach for Alex to go surfing. I'm a little bitch that doesn't like wetsuits, so I'm gonna be sitting on the beach today. The sun is out, there are dogs running around. Life's good, we're happy. How was it?
Oh, it was good. Got tossed around quite a few times, swallowed a lot of water, got up a couple times, but hey, that's what it's all about. It was a good time. There's never a bad time surfing.
So we got mango chili, cauliflower wings. How are they?
Wow. Yeah, those were good. Wow.
We got a Beyond taco with some fries. There's the cauliflowers
Very good.
and the taco.
Very good Beyond Meat there. Wanna try?
Yep. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are leaving our beautiful Airbnb and we're going whale watching. So we've made it downtown.
We're gonna go to our whale watching now.
But because this camera could possibly get wet, we're gonna transition over to the GoPro.
Hello. Welcome to the GoPro view. Your phone's really cracked.
Cancellation, and it just happens that word is a cancellation. Hey, I got it. Amazing.
Oh my god.